Still fixing invoice data manually? That's not automation. Traditional invoice capture relies on templates, supplier by supplier and field by field. Every new supplier means another template, and every change means another fix. Finance teams spend hours keeping them alive. And even then, if templates don't match, automation breaks. Meet the end of template-based capture, and meet the new Rillion Capture. An AI-native invoice capture, fully customizable to your needs. Instead of templates, it understands the entire invoice, and every invoice is validated against your master data. Need to handle specific suppliers or invoices differently? No problem. Use customizable prompts to get the exact data you need. Humans step in only for true exceptions. Everything else runs automatically. Built directly into Rillion. No templates, no training. Accurate from day one and flexible with you in control. Rillion Capture. Invoice capture finally done right.